Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Ecobee calibrating heat or cold disabled in 2026. So this message usually appears when your thermostat is adjusting the temperature readings, restarting or detecting a system delay. So here is how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to wait for calibration to complete. So this message often shows after restart or temperature change, and it is actually part of the normal operation. So you need to basically leave the Ecobee thermostat on. Do not change the settings for a few minutes. Then wait for at least 5 to 20 minutes, and then you need to check if the heating and the cooling resumes automatically. In most of the cases, this fixes itself without any action. Now, if calibration is stuck longer than usual, we can just simply restart it. For that, you just have to remove the Ecobee thermostat from the wall. Afterwards, you just have to wait for 30 seconds. Then you just have to attach it back to the wall. Let it reboot completely, and this reset or this restart is going to basically fix this problem. Now, if your HVAC system is not supplying power, Ecobee may stay in the calibration mode. So you can just simply go to your home's breaker panel, check if the HVAC breaker is on. If it is on, you can just first of all turn it off, and then you can just again turn it on. Ensure that the furnace or AC system is also running properly. So you can try these fixes and see if your Ecobee is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.